Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade gel nail stickers. First, gather your essential supplies. You'll need your favorite gel polishes, a base coat, and a top coat. Also, prepare a non-stick surface, like a silicone mat or a plastic sheet, which is crucial for easy removal. Don't forget your UV or LED lamp. It's necessary for curing the gel layers properly. This simple setup ensures a smooth start to creating your custom nail art. Now, let's start layering. Begin by applying a very thin, even layer of your gel base coat onto the silicone mat. Cure this layer under your UV or LED lamp for about 60 seconds to ensure it's fully set. Next, apply your first thin coat of colored gel polish. Remember, thin coats are key for proper curing and durability. Cure this color layer for 60 seconds, then repeat with a second thin coat, curing again for 60 seconds. To complete your gel sticker, apply a thin, even layer of gel top coat over your cured color layers. This adds shine and protects your design. Cure the top coat under your UV or LED lamp for 90 to 120 seconds, ensuring it's fully hardened. Once cured, let the gel cool down completely on the mat. This cooling step helps the sticker firm up and makes it easier to peel off without damage. Once cooled, gently peel your homemade gel nail sticker from the mat. You'll find it flexible and ready to be shaped. Use small, sharp scissors to carefully trim the sticker to perfectly match the size and shape of your natural nail. For application, ensure your nail is clean and dry. Press the sticker firmly onto your nail, then apply a final layer of gel top coat over the sticker and your natural nail, curing for 60 seconds to seal it in place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.